Yo, Selfie TV, Wagwan, everything fully fire, you know, it's me, yours truly, Cannabis, representing right now. Big up to Facebook, big up to Twitter, Snapchat, Instagram, YouTube, you know what I mean? The whole social media, the whole internet as a matter of fact. And do remember, Raymond and the Progress Youths presents to you the epic round robin called Humble So We Reach. And that will be 147 Olympic Way, Kingston, Jamaica, featuring me, Cannabis, yours truly live. That's on the 27th of May. Look more from this. Everybody knows that this Friday. Look more from this. And you know me, I'm a selector friend, them I go do the same way. You know me trap about my selector friend, them I talk about Steve from Special Unit, Uncontainable, DJ Badge, DJ Damien and DJ Frank White. I know this event is endorsed by the LA Squad, LOL Family, Team Federation, Clean Team, Cloud City, Youths in Progress, and you know the Wi-Fi girls same way. So you know everybody from up the road, down the road, cross the road, I go show out forward from the party because the party I go epic, it I go loud. And do remember people carry some Jesus in on the pocket. You know no eyeglass forward in the venue. You know what I mean? You know nobody come and watch nobody. Everybody feel support the bar because it's a bar link up. Bartenders and bar customers from all over Jamaica go link up at the party. Yes, I know the problem, you know what I mean? Cool is done sponsor already, so it's fully epic. If you want more info, you can give a number for call same way. You can show Raymond. You find Raymond number in the phone. Alright, Raymond number go. Alright. 8670361. Or if you want WhatsApp him, you can WhatsApp him on the number 805-4861. And do remember 147 Olympic Way, Kingston, Jamaica, Cannabis, all the way to Mobi and other selectors, same way I go did them, my friend them I go did it, you know what I mean? And whole heap of girls I go did it, the Wi-Fi girls them, whole heap of girls, some Ochi girl from Maypen, girl from St. Catherine, Mobi girls, same way I go link up, plus we are go off the bartending splash, you know the bartender them, we are go see which one of the bartender them can splash the best, and we are go have whole heap of giveaways, lots of prizes and surprises, so come out, make we have some fun, no umpy-scumpy thing, and do remember, crime free, so zero war, you see me, no war, it's gonna just epic, so look out for that one. Progress Youths, big up on yourself, Raymond, big up yourself, big up to LOL family one more time, and all of the family, and all of the crew, and all of the sponsors them, and all who are show out clean and out for the party, fully fiery, Cannabis yours truly representing, big up on yourself, but